Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng Go High Level, dashboard, and the Launchpad area. So, ito yung Launchpad area na pwede nyo makonect yung Go High Level sa mobile nyo, Google My Business Profile, Facebook, mag-collect ng leads inside the Go High Level, connect your WhatsApp, Stripe kung meron kayong Stripe or para sa client nyo, and even the WordPress, to import WordPress inside the Go High Level. So the next one is the dashboard area. Sa dashboard area, makikita nyo yung opportunity values or the tinatawag nilang sales pipeline. The next one is the funnel. Funnel ng business nyo, pwede nyo rin makita inside the dashboard area. Yung mga task, yung mga lead resources, Google Analytics, if gumagamit kayo ng Google Ads, and the last one is the Facebook Ads, kung nagrarangat kayo ng campaign for your Facebook Ads.